Welcome to our exploration of software development methodologies. We'll delve into the Waterfall model, Agile, and Scrum, highlighting their unique characteristics and importance. Understanding these methodologies is crucial for navigating the dynamic landscape of software development effectively. The Waterfall model is a linear, sequential approach to software development. It progresses through phases: requirement gathering, design, implementation, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Each phase must be completed before the next begins. This model is easy to manage but less adaptable to change, making it challenging in dynamic environments. Agile methodology is all about flexibility and iteration. Work is divided into sprints, each delivering a product increment. This approach encourages continuous improvement and active stakeholder involvement, allowing teams to adapt quickly to changes and ensure alignment with user needs and business goals. Scrum, a framework within Agile, defines roles like Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development Team. It employs ceremonies such as daily stand-ups and sprint planning to ensure effective collaboration and incremental delivery. These structured events help teams stay aligned, adapt quickly, and continuously improve, ensuring the product meets business needs efficiently. In Agile, the business analyst collaborates with the product owner to translate business needs into user stories. They support backlog grooming, ensuring alignment with business goals. The business analyst clarifies requirements, prioritizes based on value, and remains available to answer questions, ensuring the development aligns with original objectives. The Agile backlog is a dynamic, prioritized list of work items managed by the product owner with input from the business analyst. It evolves as new requirements emerge, focusing on high-value features. This ensures the team always works on the most important tasks, aligning closely with business goals and user needs. Choosing the right software development methodology is crucial for project success. Each approach, from Waterfall to Agile and Scrum, offers unique benefits and challenges. I encourage you to explore further learning opportunities to deepen your understanding and enhance your skills in these methodologies.